You can't see it. It's electric. Today's project, we got the Tesla model up in here, right? And you see this bright white color. Oh my God, this got to go. Because you see so many of these cars on the road and it's like, man, the Teslas can look so much better. They just need some color. Now for this one, we're gonna be doing a spray wrap. We're gonna be using the Dip Your Car products. For the color though, it's gonna be a color changing color and it's gonna be a pearl finish. We're gonna hit it with the Hyper Shift. Now the Hyper Shifts, you really gotta see them in person. But in this video, I'm gonna give it to you though. I'm gonna show you as much as possible. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna prep this thing right. Then we're gonna go ahead and get the spraying. We're gonna give it a new look because it deserves so much better. Let's go ahead and get started. So we back. We got everything masked off, prepped and ready. Everything we don't want painted, we got it covered. And if we do paint on anything, we can remove it because this is a removable product. The products that we're gonna be working with are from DYC, Dip Your Car, and the materials are Pro Line. Now for this one here, we're gonna start out with our high bell primer. Then we're gonna hit it with our matte black. Then we're gonna mix our pearls into our satin clear. The pearls we're going with is the ZGA Hyper Shift. Now these Hyper Shift has the best pearls. The video's not gonna do it no justice, but pretty much gonna give you an idea of how good they shift. And that concludes the end of the video. And if you subscribe, you already know what time it is. Let's go. So here we have the Tesla Model Y 2023. Now this color right here, man, listen. This is ZGA Hypershift. But any Hypershift that you decide to go with, or Mega Shifts, you know, whatever you choose, these pearls, man, they amazing. You got to see them up close because the sparkles, it really doesn't show as much in this video, but they there, trust me. Now we got the ZGA Hypershift all the way around, right? And you see that color change, that transition? This is like 5 cars in one. Because depending on the way you look at it, you're gonna see multiple colors. The main color you see is that turquoise greenish look. That's what you see at the, you know, like if you're looking directly at it. Wherever the light hits or doesn't hit, that's when you see the transitional change. Now this car is perfect for that because of, you got flat surfaces and those curves are, they complement those colors. On the back side, you see everything just doing this thing, man. Nice and subtle satin finish. I don't know about you, but you tell me what you think in the comments. What you think about this new color on this Tesla Model Y, man? I'm a fan of it because I'm a fan of all Hypershifts, but you let me know what you think. This is a game changer. And when it comes down to these cars, man, you see so many on the road that looks just like yours, you got to be able to change that up. These are the type things you can do to it. This is a removable spray wrap, so it does come off. And at the end of the day, it's not like the normal cars because it's electric. If you're interested in one of these shirts and you like to purchase you one, go ahead and find our website, newtouchauto.com. You'll find that there are more options to choose from. We got more electric shirts also that pertains to electric vehicles. This here is just one of many. Thank y'all for checking out this video. For my subscribers, I really appreciate y'all. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. Hit that subscribe button down below. Catch y'all on the next video.